Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here again to check out the latest progress around Camp Nou. Today we'll focus on the latest construction developments and see exactly how the stadium is taking shape. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest Camp Nou construction progress. Let's dive in. The first major thing noticeable today was the progress on the interior VIP rings. These upper sections are closing up quickly. Workers were focused on sealing edges, adjusting different sections, and refining the alignment. You can clearly see the inner structure becoming tighter and more complete. Week after week, this part of the stadium is gaining shape, and today the improvement was easy to spot. Moving deeper inside, the overall structure feels more defined now. Walkways and levels are getting clearer, and the internal framework is settling into its final form. Even though today wasn't the perfect day for capturing every corner, the progress in the interior was still obvious. The stadium is now moving from rough form work toward the finishing phase in many areas. Another strong update comes from the decorative panels known as llamas. They look better each time. The surface work, the alignment, and the way each piece connects to the next show how far the design has come. These panels are becoming one of the most recognizable parts of the new Camp Nou structure. Seeing them installed in more sections gives a clear sense of how the final exterior identity will look. Activity across the site today was slightly mixed. Some areas were quieter, while specific parts of the interior were very active. Crews continued inspections, surface adjustments, and structural checks. This phase of construction is all about accuracy. As we moved through different parts of the stadium, one thing stood out. The layout is becoming easier to understand. You can now see how the pathways will connect, where people will enter, and how the seating flow will work once the stadium fully reopens. Even in its unfinished state, you can imagine the movement of fans and the energy the place will carry once everything is complete. The exterior surroundings were also in good condition today. The access routes were open. There were no movement issues, and everything around the stadium felt well managed despite ongoing construction. It's always a positive sign when the outside remains organized during active workdays. The ramp inside the parking area is now fully concreted, forming a strong base for upcoming work. Walls around the ramp have also been completed, defining the layout clearly. Equipment and materials are organized neatly, showing the team is keeping the area efficient and ready for the next stages of construction. These steps mark solid progress in the parking area. At the north goal, progress is slower but steady. Prefabricated stair components and support beams are in place, while scaffolding and platforms are positioned for future work. Workers are gradually preparing to add additional braces and supports, ensuring the structure is stable and ready for integration with the rest of the stadium. Camp Nou continues to move forward at a steady pace. The interior rings are progressing fast, llamas panels are becoming a highlight, and many areas are shifting from heavy construction toward finishing touches. There's still work ahead, but the future shape of the stadium is now easy to visualize. All right, everyone, that's it for today's update. If you want to keep following the progress and stay updated with every new development, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We have many more updates coming, and we'll continue bringing you all the important details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.